Hi everyone, this is Karen Drake. I'm back for my discussion 6, reflection. And how I would describe my learning event has been interesting. A lot of the things I didn't realize went into designing a lesson plan. The only time I've designed a lesson plan is during my last semester in my advanced courses for social studies, reading, and math. That being said, I've learned so much about all the different avenues of designing lesson plans and structures and things like that, and I'm going to find useful and helpful when I graduate and become a teacher. Where I've been. I have been in the classroom for the last 5 years. My first time around, or when I started, I was subbing in a school about 45 minutes from us, and I decided then I wanted to find a more permanent position, and so I became a para at our local school. It's only about 20 minutes from where I live. And last year I decided to go ahead and get my master's degree to become a teacher and start teaching my own class. While in the classroom, I've learned a lot from the teachers that I work with, and through school I've learned a lot so that I can make sure that I'm doing things correctly and help students focus their needs throughout their school career. Where do I plan to go next? My plan is to finish out next May my degree and become a classroom teacher. My hope is to become kindergarten first or second grade teacher to start with. I've worked in the fourth grade for the last 4 years, and so I want to kind of get to know and see how the younger kids are. I've subbed in those classes a few times, and I really enjoy doing that. As far as leadership goes, I'm not sure if I want to go into a leadership field or not. That's up in the air at this moment. I've thought about it, but I want to get my feet in the door and start teaching before I make any ultimate decision on leadership as in principal or administrator. What would I do differently in the future? I think I would have went back to school to become a teacher a lot sooner. I always felt like I probably would not be able to handle it or do it. When I finished my bachelor's degree, I was pretty well burnt out on school, so I needed that time to, I felt like, recharge myself. What I would do better in the future is maybe not such a 4-week, wouldn't have taken the 4-week class for this. I feel like there was so much information that was given to us and processed so quickly that I feel like I may have missed something. But that's okay. I now have the resources and guidance to go back and find what I need. And for the ISTE standards, that gave me more knowledge on how to build a more network with technology for this, not network, but make sure my students are being safe. They're using technology in the correct ways. For myself, as in to build technology paths to give the students and help them acquire those technological skills. Thank you guys. It's been a great 4 weeks.